several questions came into my mind when I want to put my son on a coding class. Is he at the right age? Can he pick up what has been taught in the class? Will the tutors be good? And especially when he is attending classes from Dubai and the tutor is in India, it could be very difficult. That's when I came across CodingZen. And let me tell you, it was amazing. The first class itself, the demo one, my son was so happy and he decided to taking class immediately. Now this is our second session. In between, I even asked him whether he want to change and he said no way. I really thank the CodingZen team for having such a professional approach, having sessions in between to understand the classes, how well it's going, and helping him to be a better confident individual. Thank you so much.